talk on angle. Although an angle is actually from when two straight lines joins. An angle is from when two straight line joins. We have a two straight line and they meet at a point. They form an angle. So the types of angles that we have, is one, acute angle. Acute angle is an angle that is greater. It is greater than 0. It is greater than 0. It is greater than 0, but less than 90. Less than 90. Greater than 0, but less than 90. So you have a 0 less than s less than 90. 2. We have a right angle. Right angle. Right angle is always 90. The angle is always 90. Something like this is always 90. And the third one is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is greater than 90 or less than 180. What did I mean? You have an angle that is greater than 90, or less than 180 degree. So we have something like this. 180 less than or equals to s. So I can decide to write it as this. 90 less than or equals to, then this less than. What this means is s is always okay. What this means is okay. I have done earlier putting 0 here, I'm right. Putting 0 here, I'm putting 90 here, I'm right. So when I say s, 0 is less than s, that means s is greater than 0, but s is less than 90. That's the implication. When I put 90 here, less than s, and less than 180, it means s is less than 180 and s is greater than 90. That's obtuse angle. We have angle on a straight line. Angle on a straight line. Angle on a straight line is always, angle on a straight line, it is always 180. What does that mean? Angle on a straight line, it means it is always 180. What does that mean? It means 180 is less than s. Angle on a straight line is always 180. Angle on a straight line like this, it is always 180. Angle on a straight line, the angle that we have on a straight line, it is 180. We have another one that we call a reflex angle. A reflex angle is an angle where we have 180 less than s, 180 less than s. Reflex angle. When you say reflex angle. Reflex angle is always greater than 180, greater than 180 or less than 360. It is greater than 180 or less than 360. So what does that mean? We have greater than 180 or less than 360. So what does that mean? That means 180 is less than s, less than 360. Then the next one we are going to look at is angle at the points. Angle at the points is 360. Angle at the points is what? 360. It is always 360. This is the point. You can have various lines joining it. It is always 360. And the next one is complementary angle. Complementary angles. Complementary angles are angles that are added up. Angles that are added up to 90. You can add up. The angles that you can add up to 90. And the next one is what we call supplementary angle. Supplementary angles are angles that add up. Angles added up to 180 degree. Angles that you can add up to 180 degree. Angles that you can add up to 180 degree. So what do you do? They ask us, we have an example. Which of the following are A, acute, B, obtuse, and C, reflex? So we have I 125, 81, 305. If you look at this, we are going to do this three. This particular one is an obtuse angle. Why? It is greater than 90 or less than 180. I write it this way, which is 180 less than S, less than, you say 90, depending. 180, let's put 180 here. Sorry, let's put 90 here. 90, and let's put 180 here. This implies that S is greater than 90 or less than 180. Then here, we call it what? An acute angle. Why is it an acute angle? Because 0 is less than S and it's less than 90. What this means is it is greater than 0 or less than 90. Then 305. This is also what we call a reflex angle. Why is it a reflex angle? It's a reflex angle because this is greater than, check it, check very well. This particular one is greater than S, less than, so like this one, this is 1, we can say 180 less than X, less than 360. It is less than 360. It is greater than 180 or less than 360. We have number 2. Write down the complements. Write down the complements of A 20, B 7 degree, C 51 degree. 51 degree. So if you are to write the complements, this is 20. So what's the complement of 20? The complement of 20 is 70, something you add up. If you add this, this is going to give you 90. So the complement is 70 degree. We come to B. This is 7 degree plus 84 degree. This is going to give us 84 degree. We go to C. We have 51 degree plus 29 degree. So 29 degree is a complement. 29 degree is a complement. So if you have to check it, so I'm going to give us some exercise to do. exercises to do. Going to give us some exercises. Some exercises to do. So, some exercises to do. So what do we have? We have which of the followings are A, acute, B, obtuse, C, reflex. So we have 25, 116, 89, then 72, have 5, 246, 6, 103 degree. So the next one is number 2. Write down the complements of A, 45 degree, B is 0 degree, C 77 degree, D 89 degree. 89 degree. So we also do the same thing for supplementary. Supplementary is angles that you add up to make up 180. So number 3, write down the supplement of A 60, B 50, C 106 degree, D 180. So we have 180 degree. So that goes on what you will add up to make 60, to make 180, what you will add up to make 180, what you will add up to make 180. Then this one already, what you will add up to make 180. Thank you.